Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Netflix once again because I think that this is a super stock and I think that within 5 years it could triple its value. So by 2030, um, the global streaming industry is projected to reach a staggering $420 billion, which is driven by continued demand, technological innovation, and the proliferation of content platforms. A major contributor to this growth will be the expansion of advertising based revenue models. As more companies pivot towards ad supported plans to attract price sensitive users, the advertising segment within streaming is expected to surge. In 2024, it was around um, in 2023 it was around $74 billion, and in 2024 advertising revenue from streaming platforms was estimated at $100 billion. Assuming that um, it grows in the same compound annual growth rate as the broader streaming industry, which is 21.5%. We can conservatively project that by 2030, advertising revenue will reach $321 billion. The reason that this is a conservative estimate is because as the as the streaming industry grows, there will be more and more companies that will want to advertise on such platforms. This combined with the $420 billion streaming industry means that the total streaming ecosystem would be worth around $741 billion. Now, if Netflix maintains a 23% market share of this whole thing, it would generate around $172 billion in total revenue by 2030. With a net margin of 25%, this translates to $43 billion in net income. Currently, Netflix trades at a PE ratio of 58, but if we assume a more conservative um, PE ratio, we can go to 30 times earnings in 2030. The market cap would be around $129 trillion. So this requires a lot of work from the Netflix team, but I think that it's man, um, very possible and manageable. So this is a huge leap from its current valuation of 524 billion and a potential upside of nearly 150% over the next 5 years. Given the structural tailwinds in the industry and Netflix's dominant position, this outlook points to substantial growth potential with relatively limited downside. But the Netflix management team has to make sure to drive consumer demand, increase prices for their plans, support more ads, and increase technological innovation. This is why I think that Netflix is a really good stock pick, and I think it has a very high upside in the coming years. Thank you, and thanks for watching.